Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Hope you subscribed to my channel, clicked on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram जिसकी link होगी description box में. Namaste, this is Vijay और कैसे हैं आप? The sunshine in human form और आज हम देख रहे हैं. Okay, been long, but we are diving again. I think it is still Desi hip hop, Desi. Uh, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर है या नहीं है. ठीक है, मुझे ईमेल आया था इसके बारे में. सो आई थिंक वी कैन डाइव इनटू दिस. लास्ट वाला जब हमने लास्ट आई थिंक कृष्णा और एमीवे का जो भी चल रहा था उस पर किया था रिएक्ट. इट्स बिन 2 years, प्राय 2 साल हो गए उसको. काफ़ी टाइम हो गया, मुझे याद नहीं है. बट इट वेंट वे टू फार, वे टू बिलो द बेल्ट फॉर मी टू रिएक्ट एंड इवन कॉमेंट ऑन इट. मुझे नहीं पता उसके बाद क्या हुआ उन दोनों के बीच. बट दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट लेफ्ट reacting to it in general. I hope this is not the same and we will enjoy it. We will like the music for it. And of course ये beef की शुरुआत है ऐसा लग रहा है. तो Lazarus and Swifty make way, D12 Death Below official music video for anyway. Okay, let's go, let's get it. हर बार की तरह उम्मीद है भी बहुत ज़रूरत है इसमें. जाएगा, रहेगा, मज़ा आएगा और समझ आएगा. It's been long, so I'll still consider myself a rookie and a noob and a newbie for it. नहीं समझ आया वो आप समझा देना. जितना मैं समझ सकूँ उतना मैं समझाऊंगी. We will try to enjoy the music as much as possible. Playing.
It contains strong language and violence.
ओ भाई साहब
I was
किससे पंगा ले लिया? You's a cheater, you's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore, you can't fool them anymore. You's a cheater, you's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore, you can't fool them anymore. This my death blow, noose around the neck flow. All of y'all just talk about me, but you never step though. Doctor got the best dope, nothing you could test, no. Got your hands hanging off the ledge and I just let
okay.
go. Ha! I'm not radical, black calico, shatter cantaloupes, this rap Hannibal Lecter, animalistic, catapulted and landed, swallowing a handful of bath salts. I'm not a fan of you, my crew is intangible, reanimator, hard to touch like a hot potato, lyrical radiator, soon as a hater try
lyrical
to play
radiator.
his whole body would detonate till they see his face flying on the other side of Grenada. I'm labeled, a rhyme killer that's fatal, you a fable and not stable enough to sit at tables with bosses. You better keep walking before you make a mistake and step your ass on a live cable. We shocking, 9mm, I take his noggin off of his neck while he's still talking. He ping-ponging against the sidewalk. I'm a marksman, hazardous bastard. Me and Lazarus got a passion to slash the masses. Blood traveling down a path that lasts from Detroit to Calabasas. Cash is clay of the golden age. I'm holding a cave while you hoes burning sage. These demons will never go away. Last army in D12, we known to slay. You's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore, you can't fool them anymore. You's a cheater, you's a snake, a deceiver, you a fake, you's a fraud, you's a chore.
I do like the chorus.
This my death blow, noose around the neck flow.
Oh, okay.
All just talk about me, but you never step though. Doctor got the best dope, nothing you could test, no. Got your hands hanging off the ledge and I just let go. I'm here to kill the shaitan, napalm, game on. Dr. Khan will stay calm. Nawasuddin, Salahuddin with shades of King Kong, blades drawn, break dawn. One man's justice to right who they wrong. You say you spent some money? Well, you know I spent more. Ask anyone with any sense, now which was the choice? I got you a visa 2 times, you still didn't board. Then you cancel DTA, kept the fans all ignored. Bringing countries into this, why you bringing division? Hip-hop is for unity, Chuthia, you're stuck in a prison. You still play by the rules, #1 independent, auto-tune, R&B, singer, mumbles a sentence. You a tool, copy-paste rapper, useless meme. You do anything for content on that YouTube screen. See, your life is all about views floods and streams. See, my life is all about saving human beings. I freestyle on who, kid? You freestyle on who, kid? I'm with the God MC on this CD. Maisie, who you crew with? I'm Jay-Z on that blueprint. Campaigning, I'm exuberant. I'm that Desi who went crazy with Ungrazy. Paved the movement. This Fugazi needs improvement. Some assistance, please. Son, your chopper flow is never crispy. It's lispy. Hey, you said you was a Muslim. Got a Christmas tree. A simp sitting in Finland thinks he's dissing me. Talking about my moochie. Keep your distance, B. Before I clock you in your face next time you mention me. Hey, yo, let's line up all
This
the
bar was
the
insane.
rhymers who got
This
bars. This one goes to King, Divine, Raftar, and all those who can truly see the bitch you are. You rat Godard with that fake handshake in Qatar. You then betray. And if this how you gon' end your play, then I'ma have to change your genre like MGK. Ooh, hit you with that ether. Smoke you like Khalifa. I'm about to make you sweat like when Krishna did Swalina.
Okay, I know this. I remember this.
That you can never clean up. We can say that for the felony though. It's the misdemeanor. And now you shouting Ika. He just took the song you were on and he just made it sicker. Didn't have to wait 3 years. He's a little quicker. His rhymes a little slicker. Shoulda had your verses done, boy. Now all I hear is bicker. All you ever were on is a slim shady.
Okay.
You get the Emmy out your name, bitch. This is my city. Gonna collaborate with Eminem. Yeah, I'ma see. Why don't you look in the mirror first, you vile atrocity? And every verse that the sucker ever sent back to me, both Biz and Swift have said was unsatisfactory. A catastrophe on a feature with tech does it won't deceive me. Gonna rip them open, another left back to me. Not my league, so full of shit needs a colostomy. You call me a chore, but there is no cost to me. You send bots out the troll, still not in control. Bitch, I'm on patrol. All that time you just stole. He's not even a rapper. He just jumps and shouts out. Dissing another artist for not getting a
Oh.
shout out. 20 million subs and you still don't got clout. You're India's Jake Paul and you just got knocked out.
Hey. Okay, he didn't come to play. My God, the beginning was ठंडा बहुत. Okay, it was like warming up, warm up. उसके बाद क्या sprint लगाई है. I'm very thankful for the subtitles that was already there. I was looking for lyrics. Maybe यहाँ पे होंगे, maybe comments में होंगे, maybe description में होंगे. कभी कभार हो जाता है वहाँ पे या फिर देखना पड़ता है अलग जगह पे. और उसके साथ अगर देखो तो ज़्यादा समझ आता है. Obviously, again, like I say, it's been long and anyway, even after before 2-3 years after क्या होता है. I was a bit of newbie, so probably you have to like know every single thing that's happening or be on the loop and be really in this community to know अच्छा ये कहाँ पे कौन सा diss है कौन सा reference है. So if you know about that and you think मेरे को जानने की ज़रूरत है इसके लिए specifically, let me know. मुझे लगता है मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ समझ आई है and मुझे लगता है ठीक है मैं गलत हो सकती हूँ and that's absolutely fine. Not everyone knows everything and I'm okay with learning in the comment section. So अगर आपके पास है कोई information तो मैं definitely आपसे सीखना चाहूँगी उससे. Oof, but the last few verses, I mean, I would just say, except for the first two verses, incredible it was. It was outstanding. He was on the roll, and I loved the chorus. It was very catchy. अगर हम सिर्फ म्यूजिक को देखें, I loved the bars and I loved the flow. I could definitely vibe along, even though I'm not someone जो बहुत technically इसको जानता है. या फिर I would be someone who is so much advanced in knowing कौन से flow होते हैं as a rapper or oh, this is like a really advanced flow या फिर इसको basic flow बोलते हैं. I might not know all of that, but as a basic audience, I can know one thing कि मेरे कानों को क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे किस पे beat पे, if I am able to connect, if I'm able to enjoy myself. I am a dancer, so yes, I understand beats and I do understand the flow. भले और को समझ आए ना आए, and I enjoyed that. In the beginning, like I said, it was a warm up. I was like, okay, well, I don't know where it's heading, but then, oof, it took off and it took off really well. And again, like I said, I did it. I feel I understood a lot of things from this. References might I don't understand because मुझे नहीं पता ये किस तरह से डिस जा रहा है. ये पहला वार फेंका गया है या फिर कुछ और हुआ है उसके बाद यहाँ से वार फेंका गया है. But whatever happened last time, I was not a big fan of. और उस तरह से हम लोग जा रहे हैं तो ये भी probably continue नहीं कर पाएंगे. I really hope there are no problems with copyright issues. I really want to continue what we did before. But छूट गया था बीच में तो छूट गया था. And a lot of people did ask me to restart it. But again, it's okay. That's fine. Better late than never we did it. There were a few things that I really, really liked, but it's hard to pinpoint onto like few particular bars. Oh, this one, autotune R&B singer mumbles a sentence. You have to copy paste rapper useless name. We all know that he is definitely very much famous commercially rather than some other rappers जो उस सीन में इतने commercially famous नहीं है, because I know कि मैं जब जिम में जाती थी एमबी के बहुत सारे songs बजते थे वहाँ पे, but it wasn't the same case for other rappers who are equally good or probably who he's beefing with or probably well known in the just like music industry, ये वाली not commercially out there. So I do know that, and obviously I wouldn't say उसका मतलब है कि तुम actually तुम्हारी आर्ट में अच्छे नहीं हो just because you are commercially successful. That does not translate into that, but that was a good hit and I really liked it. I मुझे नहीं पता मैं if I've seen more videos from him before. बहुत टाइम हो गया, like I said before, but मैंने नाम बहुत सुना हुआ है. Why I don't know about him? I think I need to do a little bit more research on him with this one. And there were few bars which I actually said right when it was happening. Probably मेरे face से देख के आ गया जो मैं बोलना चाहती थी उस time. But yeah. Oh, and the shout outs to Divine, Raftar, and Krishna Wala Mu, Salina. I know that because I was there while that beef was happening. Like I mentioned, start में ही. But I think I just said whatever I had to say while I was doing it. I really would love to know more about this. मुझे exactly वो बार मिल नहीं रहा है वो जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. But I am very sure मैं उस time ही बोल दिया होगा, yeah, this was really nice. Or probably my expression would have explained it. I would love to know more about this person as well, which I will after this video. And let's see how this goes. But oh, this was good. I would say as a person who's not in this beef, या कोई साइडिंग नहीं है मेरी, मैं ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं एमबीवे के साइड में, ऐसा नहीं है मैं इनके साइड हूँ. आई एम हियर फॉर द म्यूजिक एंड एंजॉयिंग probably the beef with the popcorn. I enjoyed it. I liked it. Let's see how it goes from here. Lekin I liked it. I enjoyed this for now. And if you have something to let me know in the comments. We will go ahead with that way. जिस तरह से वीडियो जा रहा है रह रहा है, important है. Bye.